Hey guys, welcome to week 3 of Earth Science, Hexter 4. This week is a little weird, so I just wanted to talk about for a second why we have the assignments we have. So there are a couple of topics that we're going to cover this week. One thing is you guys need to remember that we're presenting on Wednesday, which is actually everybody's first day back because Tuesday was a snow day. So I hope you had a good day off. So we'll be talking about how we generate electricity. But the ways we generate electricity by burning fossil fuels and using non-renewable resources brings up the topic of global warming and climate change, which hopefully you recall from your exploration of the NASA website is pretty well documented and scientifically proven. But that brings up another concept, which is why are there so many people out there who don't believe in global warming and other scientific facts? So the first assignment for week 3 is actually about how humans perceive and receive and process scientific facts and why some of us look at the facts and that changes how we perceive the world and we adjust our worldviews based on that, and how some of us see facts and just get even more defensive and believe them even less than before we were presented with the facts. So week 3 assignment 1 is all about that, and I'm going to click on it here. You guys can see you're going to watch these two videos. The first one is kind of about tribalism and how the beliefs of people who you consider your tribe really affect what you believe or feel comfortable believing. And then the second one is about the actual process that your brain goes through called confirmation bias. It kind of protects you from uncomfortable ideas. All of us, not just you. And so I really want you guys to think about that and analyze that, because there's some real social and then also kind of psychological and physical reasons why our brain works that way and kind of tricks us into believing fake news. All right, and then if you head back, we're going to dive into another topic, which is the different ways that humans explore for and extract and then use all these resources we take from the Earth. The first article is about something called space mining, which is real. There are people planning to mine for resources in space, so you'll learn about that. And then the human exploration and extraction of resources here on Earth. You guys will do a research project about one of these topics and present your classmates. So please make sure you get through these as quickly as possible. And then most importantly for this human exploration and extraction of resources project, you need to choose a topic listed in here. And you need to email me, first come, first serve. So all of these are the topics here. And you get to, the sooner you email, the more likely you are to get the topic that you're interested in. That was a lot of fast talking. I hope you had a good snow day, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.